feeling the pinch of Zapier's step limits, hindering your automation ambitions. You're not alone. Zapier's efficiency is incredible, but sometimes those step limits can feel like a roadblock today. We're diving deep into how to conquer them and unlock the full potential of your automated workflows. The most immediate way to overcome step limits is by optimizing your existing Zaps. This means critically evaluating every single step. Are there any redundant actions? Can multiple steps be combined into one? Think about the core function of your Zap and strip away anything that doesn't directly contribute to its success. For example, if you're logging information to a spreadsheet and also sending an email, see if you can combine the data gathering for both actions into a single step. Zapier's Paths feature is a game changer for complex logic. Instead of having multiple separate Zaps or a single Zap branching out extensively, Paths allow you to create conditional workflows within a single Zap. This is perfect for scenarios where a Zap needs to do different things based on specific triggers or data. Imagine a Zap that processes incoming leads. One path could handle leads from your website, another from a specific ad campaign, all under one Zap. To implement Paths, look for the Add Path option within your Zap editor. You can then set up your conditions. For instance, if lead source is website, then do X. This organization dramatically reduces the overall step count for similar yet distinct actions. For truly intricate or recursive tasks that even Paths can't elegantly handle, consider utilizing Webhooks. Webhooks act like custom endpoints, allowing you to send data from Zapier to an external service or application, and even receive data back. You can use webhooks to trigger more complex processing in another tool, or even to break down a massive Zap into smaller, more manageable sub-Zaps that communicate via webhooks. This external processing can significantly reduce the step count within your Zapier account itself. When optimization and clever workflow design only get you so far, it's time to consider upgrading your Zapier plan. Zapier offers various tiers, each with higher task limits and more available Zaps. If your Zaps are consistently hitting their limits, it often indicates a healthy and growing automation strategy. Upgrading to a higher tier provides you with more tasks per month, allowing for more actions and a greater number of active Zaps without hitting those crucial step caps. Analyze your current usage and projected needs to select the plan that best suits your workflow demands. By implementing these strategies, optimizing your steps, leveraging Paths, strategically using webhooks, and considering plan upgrades, you can effectively overcome Zapier's step limits and build even more powerful, scalable automation solutions. Happy automating.